Hey guys, what's up? Today, I am going to be unboxing another Amazon delivery. So I'm going to be unboxing a goob plushie, which is in here right now. So, yeah, here we go. So let me guess. Hello? Where's the tear thing? Okay, I'm just gonna cut it. Okay. Oh damn! Dude, what's up with goob? Oh my god, bro! Dude, this is solid. Dude, poor goob, man. We gotta get him out there. Oh, okay. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna get this out. Wait, let me just do so a sec. We gotta get goob out of here. He's probably suffocating in there. Who knows how long he's been in there? I don't even know where this. Oh wait. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, poor goob, bro. Poor goob. Okay, so I'm not quite sure how I'm going to get his head back into normal shape after that. Oh, look at his hands! Oh my god! Dude, what happened? Dude, why did they vacuum seal the? They freaking vacuum sealed it, and now look at goob. Look at his little face. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh, this is so funny. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna get the stuffing back to where it's supposed to go. But yeah. But I mean, at least we got it. I paid like $20 for this. So hopefully we can get his head back into good shape. I'm gonna have to wash it first, because that usually helps loosen the stuffing. So yeah, let me just try to push it down, make it head a bit bigger. Don't want to make it too big though. Okay, I'm pretty sure I got it. But it's a bit, it's like barely any stuffing in here. The head, I think it needs a bit more stuffing, just a teeny bit. But that's only because they vacuum sealed it, so. But good shape, good quality. Very soft texture. And yeah, the eyes reflect as well, which I really like. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can try and get this back into shape, because I mean, look at that. Like, that's not goob's hands. That's no way that's goob's hands, bro. So there's goob. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.